Hello boss, my name is Sunny, Marketing Manager of KDM Electric Enclosure, and today I'm going to show you our new factory located in China, Wuxi. Okay, welcome! This section we put our raw material. We have a full range of material in stock, including the mill steel from 1.0 to 6.0 millimeter thickness, stainless steel from 1.0 millimeter to 3 millimeter thickness, and galvanized steel from 1.2 millimeter to 3 millimeters, and aluminum sheet from 1.2 millimeter to 2 millimeter, and so on. This facilitates the simply and faster delivery. And this is our pull-out storage shelf. It prevents the material mixing during the use. This is the first step to make your electric enclosure, and this is the laser cutting process. We just move the material on the laser cutting machine platform, and then we start the laser cutting process. And this is our high-speed, high-precision laser cutting machine. We can maximum laser cutting the 12 millimeter thickness steel with 0.2 millimeter precision tolerance. Our laser cutting machine can be used for cutting milled steel, stainless steel, aluminum, brass sheet, and so on. Okay, this is our high-speed and high-precision CNC punching machine. It can work with 32 types of molds to make different shapes of punching at the same time. It can be used for punching milled steel, stainless steel, aluminum, brass sheet, and so on. For the bending tolerance, we can make the multi-bending at the same time. For the bending thickness, we can make the maximum 3 millimeter bending thickness. No visible bending mark on the stainless steel with the help of the no mark bending mode. For the welding process, we have the ARC welding. We have over 20 certified welders, more than 10 years welding experience, and capable to handle as thin as 0.5 millimeter thickness product welding. KDM is able to handle the butt welding, the fillet welding, and the plug welding. This is the polishing process for the electric enclosure. We have very professional training and guidance for the polishing workers. It is with little deformation caused by the polishing head. KDM has over 20 years wire drawing experience. After wire drawing, the made hairline mark can have a good match with the original brushed mark of the stainless steel sheet. This is the forming process, and the forming process is very important, especially in some waterproof environments. For the standard forming, we can meet the IP66 standard rating, but if it's sealing with silicone glue, we can also meet the IP67 standards. So this process is very important in the waterproof environment, especially for some outdoor use, withstand the dust environment and also the raining environment. This is the assembling process. So we have so many electric enclosures ready for the assembling process. Our assembling workers have been working in our factory for several years and familiar with all kinds of cabinets assembly. Each assembler has one full set of assembling tools. They are divided into several groups. Each group will focus on one type of enclosure, such as welded enclosure, flat pack enclosure, and so on. This focusing makes less mistakes. They are also able to read the drawings, which also help avoid the potential mistakes.